Prominent space giants are teaming up together to develop a moon lander. Jeff Bezos' company Blue Origin has decided to build up a lander with other partners to expedite the mission. Draper will develop the navigation software, Lockheed Martin will develop the ascent vehicle that will carry the astronauts, and Northrop Grumman will build a spacecraft that will take the lander. Blue Origin had been working on this lander for 3 years, but plans to reach the moon accelerated in March when U.S. Vice President announced a crewed mission for 2024. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Steamdaily newsletter for such amazing latest content on science and technology. Please also subscribing out YouTube channel. You can also visit us on steamdaily.com.